Here we have a 2020 Nissan Navara DCI N-Guard SHR DCB. Now with this vehicle you've got the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there. We've also got the metallic black exterior paintwork, and as you can see the vehicle is all stealthed out. It looks absolutely fantastic. You may have noticed we've got the wide arches on this vehicle as well, which are colour coded, and how aggressive is that styling. Now you've got the nudge bar at the bottom just there, the number plate mounted just above it. Coming around to this corner you'll see your second 20-inch alloy wheel. You see the Predator branding just there as well. There's a close up of that. You've then got your side steps down at the bottom, privacy glass for the rear passengers, black roof rails. You've also got the Navara decals on the side. Coming around to this corner, there's a look at your third alloy wheel. You've then got the roll bars at the rear as well as your mountain top load cover to keep your items secure from the elements. Now you've also got 360-degree cameras as well as reversing sensors on this vehicle. Let's have a look in the back here. Plenty of storage space in here as you'd expect, and look how clean it is as well. There's a good look at that. Of course it's very easy to use the load cover and you can push that back all the way as well. And as you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now let's have a look at this last alloy wheel and then head on to the interior. Again, excellent condition. Now let's work our way in. We've got the half leather interior with the contrasting yellow stitching, and how fantastic does this interior look. ISO fixed points within the seats. You've got the vents in the middle just there, storage pockets behind the front seats. On the doors we've got our brushed metal handle, electric window controls, integrated speakers and additional storage space. More of that leather with the yellow stitching. Heading on to the front now. You've then got that same half leather interior, and again how fantastic do these seats look. That yellow stitching which actually matches the Navara decals on the exterior. Now the driver's also got the electrical adjustments for their seat, which makes it incredibly easy to get comfortable in this vehicle. On the doors you've then got your auto windows for the driver's seat and electric windows for everyone else. Unlock and unlock button, child lock, power folding wing mirrors, and of course electrically adjustable wing mirror controls. More storage space, more integrated speakers. Here you'll find traction control, your start-stop technology, a button to open your fuel cap. And now let's step inside the vehicle. Foot on the clutch, start-stop button just there, and we are away. Now as you can see we've got the multifunctional steering wheel with features like volume controls, we've got cruise control, phone controls, etc. On the right there you've got your wiper stalk, on the left auto lights. And as you can see the vehicle is free from any any warning lights on the dashboard just there. Coming into the centre you've got your infotainment screen. Apologies if it's very bright, but on here you'll find features like DAB radio. Let's actually go into the sources here. You've got AM, FM and DAB radio, USB connectivity, Bluetooth audio and even auxiliary, so plenty of ways to connect your devices. Back onto menu you'll also find your satellite navigation on here as well. Put the vehicle into reverse, you'll access your reversing camera and 360-degree view. Of course you've got the view of all cameras just there on the left hand side. You can access your cameras by simply pressing the camera button there as well. Connections, more Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB and apps. It's also worth mentioning we do have Apple CarPlay in this vehicle, of course phone connectivity as well for making calls from your mobile device. There's a look at some of the options in the settings there as well. Now working our way down, you've then got your dual zone climate control, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with ice cold air conditioning, of course. 2-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low for off-road usage. There we go. You've then got your hill descent control, lock and unlock, 12-volt connectivity, USB and auxiliary input, more storage space. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox in this car, heated seat controls with high and low features for both front seats. 2 good sized cup holders. We've got our handbrake just beside it, and then the soft touch leather armrest again with that yellow stitching, and in there you'll find additional storage space and another 12-volt connectivity point. As well as that you've then got the sunroof which to close that up we'll simply press that button there, and as you can see it all works exactly as you would expect. And then we've got the blind we can just close if you want to block out the sun there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.